So, the warning lights on your dashboard, you never want to see them coming up, but when they do, you really need to know what they mean and what you need to do in response to those warnings. But apparently, 23 million UK drivers are in the dark when it comes to identifying what these warning lights mean, which, needless to say, is not very good. But let's have a look at this guy's full article here on the motoringchronicle.com. Warranty Wise is encouraging drivers to familiarise themselves with their dashboard warning lights, as recent research reveals that 46% of drivers in the UK, which could be as many as 23 million people, are unable to identify even half the warning lights on their car's dashboard. As vehicles become more technologically advanced, this lack of understanding not only puts drivers at risk, but could also lead to avoidable and costly repairs, warns the UK's leading provider of extended use car warranties. With the new year approaching, 2025 offers an ideal opportunity for drivers to improve their understandings of these critical alerts. Modern dashboards are equipped with sophisticated warning systems designed to keep drivers informed about their vehicle's health, ranging from simple reminders such as low washer fluid to serious warnings about brake system failures or engine malfunctions. Yet, Warranty Wise's research highlights a troubling knowledge gap, with many drivers unclear about what these signs mean or how urgently they should act when one appears. Even more concerning, the survey, which was conducted in partnership with OnePoll, also revealed that 3% of drivers, around 1.5 million people, are unable to identify any dashboard warning lights at all, leaving them particularly vulnerable to unexpected breakdowns and expensive repair bills. I mean, how do you not know How do you not know ABS? It's literally ABS. That's really bad. How did they pass the test? That's incredible. Ignoring or misinterpreting a warning light can result in delayed repairs, leading to more extensive damage and higher costs, and in some cases, this could even compromise driver and passenger safety. As cars continue to evolve, the growing variety of warning lights demands a greater awareness from drivers. Anthony Diggins, who's the managing director of Warranty Wise, said, "Your car's dashboard warning system is one of the first lines of defense. These warning lights aren't just about convenience, they're essential for your safety and the health of your vehicle. Modern cars bring incredible advancements, but they also require drivers to stay informed. Taking the time to understand your car could save you thousands in repair costs, and with your car likely to be one of your biggest investments, learning what those warning lights mean is one of the best ways to protect it and stay safe on the road. And if the worst happens, that's what we're, Warranty Wise, are there for." But remember that if it's found that a driver has driven with a warning light that's been turned on, it can mean your warranty claim is declined. So it's kind of on you at that point, which, not the biggest fan of insurance in general. That's kind of fair enough, really. So therefore, it's important that motorists know what their warranty lights mean and when to act. As Christmas approaches and winter draws in, Warranty Wise is encouraging motorists to prioritise vehicle education and maintenance, as Warranty Wise provides a choice of more than 1 million UK motors to date, which Warranty Wise provides the highest level of warranty for your car's make, age and mileage. It further warns that driving on damage can be a reason for a warranty claim being declined, and therefore it's crucial that motorists know what their warning lights mean and when to stop and get it investigated. So yeah, I mean, look, I'll be the first to kind of admit that, to be honest, I don't know what all the lights on my dashboard would probably mean. I mean, the ones that normally come up, low washer fluid, tyre pressure, that happens quite a bit when it's cold. I know those. I know ABS as well. There's not been an engine oil as well. My old Hyundai always used to be low on engine oil. So I know what all those mean. And to be fair, if a different one comes up, I don't know. I mean, I'm just trying to think. There are dozens of them, to be fair. I mean, the general kind of rule of thumb I was always told was that if you don't know what it is, the rule of thumb really comes when it comes to the light that's on there. So, for example, I think battery, when that comes on, that's normally a red light. So you would have to get that checked out as soon as possible, because without your battery, your car won't start. If it runs out, if it's discharging too much, then your car will just stop while driving. I mean, mine actually failed in my old Hyundai, and it failed on the way to the garage. Like, it literally, the radio cut out as I was driving into the garage because I knew I had to get it checked out as soon as possible. I got very lucky there, but that's with me going to the garage as soon as possible. If you try and drive with a warning light, I mean, a lot of people these days are driving with actual warning lights being shown on their car because they can't afford to get it repaired, and that just shows a really sad state of what the country's in at the moment. But it doesn't take too long. You can go online, you can find out what the lights mean. To be honest, my advice personally would be, if a warning light comes on, if it's a red one, get it checked immediately. If it's an orange one, get it checked pretty quickly. If it's a yellow one, check it out, see what the problem is if you're not sure what it is from the actual light that's on there. Just have a look on your phone or whatever once you've actually got to your destination, as long as it's not too far away, as long as you're not doing like a cross-country drive, it can probably wait. But yeah, definitely get it seen to if it persists, and just get clued up on how to actually test to see if it's okay yourself. I mean, you ideally don't want to go down to a garage if it's something that you yourself can solve. If it's something like an ABS thing, sometimes those can come up by mistake. Same with tire pressure as well. Get out, check the tire pressures out, reset the pressures. If it keeps happening all the time, you've probably got a very slow puncture that you're not able to spot by actually checking out the tires yourself. So again, it's all down to that. And cars are getting better at telling you stuff. I mean, like mine tells me if it says it's got low pressure with its tires, it'll say rear left tire is low on pressure. So you don't have to check them all. You know that that's the one that's potentially at fault. So yeah, those are my kind of thoughts on it, guys. Do you know how to deal with warning lights on your car? If you had to deal with it, you had to see it, would you be able to identify what the problem is? Let us know in the comments below. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Odds are, if 2 people watch this, one of them will not know, and that's for the drivers, let alone the people that don't drive. So then again, people who don't drive don't need to know this, in fairness. So yeah. For much more content on the world of motoring, do keep it tuned here to themotoringchronicle.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the bell as well. And stay safe, guys. We'll see you very soon for some more content right here.